Hello everyone, this video introduces the Import Feature Class function of the LiDAR 360 MLS plugin for AutoCAD software. This function allows you to import one or more layers from databases in GPKG, KML, SHP, JSON, and GIS formats into CAD software. By clicking the Import Feature Class button, the Import Feature Class dialog box will pop up. Select the format of the feature class to be imported and add the corresponding data format. All feature classes will then appear in the layer. Please note that the system has defined 4 layers, annopoint, point, polyline, and polygon, as system feature classes. If you import a layer with the same name and its attribute fields differ from those of the system feature classes, it will be recognized as an incompatible feature class layer and will not be allowed for import. The attribute field names of the system layers can be referenced in the appendix of the user manual. In the layers, you can select the feature classes you wish to add, with options for Select All, Invert, and Clear Selection. By checking the Append option, you can add feature classes with the same name to existing feature classes of the same geometric type. If the Append option is not checked, when a layer with the same name and geometric type exists, the imported layer will replace the existing feature class in the drawing viewport. Once all parameters have been set, click OK to import the selected feature classes. After a successful import, you will be able to view the imported data in CAD. Additionally, the system has defined certain characteristic attribute fields to identify CAD entities. When the imported data contains these attribute fields and the attribute content meets the requirements, the colors, line widths, and the font, size, tilt, boldness, and rotation of the annotation in CAD software will be rendered accordingly. If the imported data lacks these fields or if they are filled out incorrectly, the default display characteristics will be applied after import. The defined characteristic attribute fields and their filling specifications can be referenced in the user manual appendix titled DXF Graphic Display Field Definitions and Filling Specifications. That concludes the complete introduction to the Import Feature Class function. Thank you for watching.